Hey, welcome back everybody to part 3 of Mountain of Roscoos. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel at Mid-Valley Mercenaries. Also follow me at Grasslands Taxidermy of California on Facebook. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start by wiring this bird. We're going to start with the wings first. Alright, we're going to start wiring. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wire, I've sharpened this end. As you can see, it's really sharp. And I'm going to start boring a little hole in here. Now I'm into the wing. There's marrow in these bones, so we want to make sure that that doesn't get onto our feather, especially with this white bird or any bird. So I'm going to take some paper towel. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to run this wire in there a few times. Going back and forth like that. So I've cleaned that off. I'm going to make a bend here. I'm going to come up. We're going to remove this portion of the bone after we wire it. So I'm going to make a bend there. Cutting off some excess wire that we have. Alright, next what I'm going to do is I got some cotton balls. I'm going to kind of rebuild this or remove those tendons and muscles. Alright, so I got that in there. Take my black tape. So with clipping off this bone, we want to remove this ball here and this little excess. So what I'm going to do is just going to take this, clip that, and remove that little leave a bone there. I'll hold that and start taping this to the wire to the bone. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to wire this leg. I'm going to take my wire, make sure not to catch the skin. I'm going to run it down there, come through. We want to be very careful not to go through our skin of our leg. Alright, we've run it down the leg. Going to hyperextend this foot. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to run it up this middle toe here. So we've run this wire to this toe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a bend right here. I'm going to make a bend here. Now there's marrow in this bone, so I'm going to clip this end off. And we're going to run a wire down there to clean that out. So we've wired up our legs, our wings. We're going to come here to the tail. There's a little bone that we removed right here. And I'm just going to run this where that bone was at. Out the back side. And then this portion we're just going to insert into our form. And we'll be ready to wire this bird up. Alright, so I'm going to take my forceps, I'm going to place it down the neck of my bird. What I'm going to gently do is just kind of expand the skin here. You don't want to do it hard, but the skin gets a little tight from setting. We're just going to expand that so that we can place our neck down it easily. Next we're going to insert our body into the neck. Not the body, but the neck into the neck. And gently roll this down. When we get to the end, I'm going to remove this little bit of tape, run a wire through there so it'll hold it all together so this neck won't slide up and down on our bird. Alright, we're going to wire our wings. You want to keep your skin from tearing, so we want to bend the wire and not the skin. Going to run that through there. Going to get that in place. Alright, we're going to just take our pliers, bend this over, turn it to the body, and do the same thing to the other side. On this bird we're going to be doing what's called a hip attachment. This is where the ball joint of the hip will fit, but we've removed this bone. And so what we're going to do is we're going to measure from this little indicator point to here, and we're going to use this straw as a guide. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to place it over this wire. So I'm going to make a bend here to simulate that bone. Take this wire, I'm going to bend it, and we're going to insert it into this, and we're going to run that out there. Going to make a bend there to simulate the bone. We'll bend this over into our form, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright, remember that wire we inserted into the tail here? We're going to take that and we put a little hole in the back of our form. Just gonna insert that in there. Alright, we're gonna start sewing this bird up. Just gonna take my needle. And we're just gonna do a couple knots in here just so it holds it to the skin. Clip off the excess. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do kind of a baseball stitch. I'm gonna go back and forth on each side. Alright guys, so next we're going to run our support wire into this bird. This bird's going to be kind of coming in with his head down, wings up. So I'm just going to come in here and run this through the body. Alright, we're through the body. I'm going to take this wire and I need to work out more. Alright, we're going to pound our support wire in. Now we're going to finish sewing this bird up. Alright, I just got done sewing this bird up. Just going to kind of back fluff the feathers a little bit. Smooth them out. Always kind of preen your bird as you go along. Make sure it looks nice and smooth. Alright, so we've rigged up this little contraption here. And we're going to bend this wire over and we're going to screw this to this and then we can mount our bird. Alright, so we're going to take some hot glue. We're going to insert into the back of this head. Then we're going to attach this head to our artificial neck. Alright, here we go. Now work that head on there. Watch out, you don't want to get that glue on you. Alright. Alright, we're just going to set this eyeball in here. And we're going to eyeball it. Match them up. Alright, so be careful when you pull your head over. Well, actually your skin over this artificial head. Taxi your skin forward. And just gently work it because you don't want to tear it at all. So we got that in place. We're going to blow some wind in here, puff this up, dry this up a little bit, and then we're going to glue it onto our head here with some super glue. So what I'm doing, we got some cotton batting, and we're just doing what I call packing the cheeks. We're just trying to fill the cheeks out so they don't look flat. So now we're pinning the eye in place. Alright, next guys, we're going to tape the tail. We're just going to take some of this blue tape, kind of pinch it. You just want to kind of separate your feathers where they look natural. And we'll tape the other side and we'll run some card in there here to hold it in place. Alright, so we got this tail taped up here. And I've taken some Euro pins and I've stuck them into the body, taken some hair clips to hold that in place. I'm going to tape these down right here. So what I've done is I've got this wire. And I'm using this as kind of a guide and a support. So the wings are heavy and they'll fall down. So we're just going to run this wire here. I'm going to take this little clip. And you want to get to about the position you want it. The wing. Just want to crimp that. Take this thing and hold it in place. And I'll keep my wing up. Alright, so we're using blue tape to hold the feathers in place. The position that we want them to stay. This will lock it in. As it dries, it'll hold them in place. Alright, so what we've done, we're going to card this wing. This will give it more stabilization. You can see I placed the pin up here high. Make sure not to kink up your feathers and just start placing pins. This cardboard also runs on the other side, so got two pieces. We're running them together. All this stuff right here will smooth out all these little feathers. Just take some preening and adjusting. Go all the way down the length of this thing, placing these pins. So next we're going to inject the feet with formaldehyde. This will keep bugs from eating it. This stuff is dangerous. It says pelegra, no, poison. It can kill you someday. So use caution. Just the word caution. Use at your own risk. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to inject in the heel. And you can see it actually coming up the leg. Going to each toe. To the tip of it. Alright guys, hey, I want to thank you for tuning in today. Hope you enjoyed this segment, and we're going to be coming back with part 4 where we are going to pull this tape off. We're going to do some finish work where we paint the feet and just do some final little grooming in here, and hope you guys enjoy. So thanks for joining us.